Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Trick, little short video on how you could create this pattern of anything. I was playing around yesterday. I actually did a video on the symmetry tool, create a new symmetry. I'm going to put a P and put that in the middle of the page. Now I'm going to add and make two, and I'm going to hit P and put that in the middle of the page. Maybe you can. Anyway, I am going to draw. I started thinking about it. I said, why can't you do this? So I'm going to draw a circle and put it in the center of the page, and we got 4 now. I'm going to go to an object and convert it to a curve. Then I'm going to take the shape tool. I'm going to bring it to this line. Then I'm going to bring it to this line. And look what it's doing. It's making, basically it's like the clone tool, but you can kind of see it in real time. I didn't really know you could add, I did a video just yesterday or day before just about drawing lines. Well, how about if we blended something? Let's take let's move it over. Well, let's turn off the symmetry, okay? And now let's take the blend tool, and now let's take a rectangle. Whoop. I got too many there. And let's make them different colors. Make that one red. Whoop. I just really want the outline. I should right click the outline. Make this one blue. And then let's draw a line. Let's group those together. Control G. So this is using the blend tool. Now I'm going to take a 2-point line. Then let's make the line yellow. Now I'm going to take all this, and you could blend down here very easily. I find it easier a lot of times to, because you have to know where you're on, is go to Effects and Blend. Oh, I put bevel. I'm trying to figure out why it wouldn't come up. Effects and Blend. We're going to blend those 50 times. Now that's not all that cool. It is turning a square into a rectangle. You can always take your shape tool and get your original line and change the pattern. But what is cool about this, we can put this in, and we could have done that with it open. We're going to go to Object Symmetry, open a new symmetry, and do 4, which is 2. And then the one we've done is in color. The other ones are not in color. We're going to rotate. Tell you what, let's rotate it from this corner. And then let's put this corner, this in, you know what, let's rotate a little bit more. Now let's put that corner in the corner of our symmetry. Now, granted, it's not all that cool, but when you take away and go finish, it puts it all into color. So you can draw as a symmetry without, you could do it with a blend. I'm trying to think what I'm trying to say here. If we wanted to, let's make one of these a different color, and we'll make that one green. Must not have had it selected. Let's make it green, make this one yellow, and now let's blend these two and watch what happens on the table. Now they're different colors because these are the symmetry until you get it done, but we could put that there, and you could still manipulate it quite a bit by taking the shape tool, if I could find which line I blended, and let's put it right to that line. Right to the line, maybe. And it's I don't know if anybody will ever use this, but when you finish it, you get something like that. So this is probably still my coolest one I did earlier tonight or last night, trying to figure out if this would actually work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.